Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon and scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients like bacon, eggs, and a little butter. Place a large skillet on your stove and preheat it to a medium heat. Carefully lay your bacon strips flat in the pan, making sure they don't overlap. This ensures even cooking for perfectly crispy results. Let the bacon cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping it once halfway through, until it reaches your desired crispiness. Once done, remove the bacon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Leave a small amount of the rendered bacon grease in the pan. Now, whisk 2 to 3 eggs per person with a splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness. Now pour your whisked eggs into the hot skillet, right into that flavorful bacon grease. Let them sit for a few seconds, then gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with your spatula. Continue this gentle stirring and folding motion. Cook until the eggs are just set but still moist and creamy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your eggs are perfectly scrambled, remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to your liking. Plate your fluffy scrambled eggs next to your crispy bacon. This easy method delivers a satisfying and delicious breakfast or brunch that everyone will love. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.